Yours truly does not like the things that are in here. As you can see, I'm standing in a different location today. I'm right in my kitchen. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth. If you are new to this channel, welcome. To my old subscribers, you guys, thank you so much for always coming to support your girl. In today's video, we will be doing something new, something different. I'm taking you guys on a new journey. I'm starting again. Yes, so I plan to go on a 7 days of clean eating. Yes, yours truly wants to go on a 7 days of clean eating. It is not a weight loss journey. Whatever comes out of it, that's it. If I end up losing some weight, that's it. But my goal now is not to lose weight. My goal is to eat healthy for at least 7 days. And this is because I got gifted some really healthy food products that I paid nothing for. Yes, it's a message to me. It's a wake-up call that, hey, you need to eat healthy. So I'm going to try it. Yours truly does not like the things that are in here. As you can see, I'm standing in a different location today. I'm right in my kitchen. So welcome to my kitchen. At least one side of my kitchen. Yes. So we're going to head to the fridge so you guys can see what's in there that I call healthy eating. I got gifted those goodies and I want to make a good use of it. I'm going to try my best to eat healthy for at least 7 days or as long as these will last me. So without further ado, let's head into the fridge. So this is it right here. As you can see, we have different things in here. We have some green beans, a lot of them. This entire section is all green beans, plus these right here. And at the top back here, we have our salads that came like this. Different kinds, you guys. This is a gift, you guys. Like, I really appreciate this gift. I'm not going to say the name of the person who gave me these. Yes, but I really appreciate getting these kind of supplies. I really appreciate it. If you see here, it's all different brands, different types of salad, and they have different ingredients in it. You have bacon, you have just different things in here with the dressing. I also have in here my favorite dressing of all times right here. These are so good. If you like these as well, drop it down in the comment section. It's called creamy poppy seed. You guys, when I'm eating salad, if I don't put this on it, I haven't eaten it yet. And I'll just say this, you guys, salad is not my favorite thing. I really like hot food, and I'm going to show you my favorite food, okay? I'm sure a lot of you already have a guess of it. If you're from Liberia, you will know my favorite food. So all here are all salads. I'm putting it back right now. All here are all salads, and you can see there are bananas. But before I go further, let me show you one of my favorite food. It is almost done. Like, this is the last one in here, and I was going to cook because I worked last night, but I'm off tonight. I spent the whole day home resting and everything. I was going to cook at least tomorrow, but yours truly wants to make use of these, so I'm not going to cook. I told my husband we're not cooking. We're both going to go on a healthy diet. And by the way, I will get some more at least chicken or whatever from Publix nearby, just to cut it out and put it on and boil some eggs. As you can see, there's a lot of eggs in here. All here is all eggs, so I plan to like use eggs sometimes, use avocado, use just chicken, cut out grilled chicken, fried chicken, whatever I can to help me eat these right there, because yours truly does not go for salad as a first option, but I definitely want to eat clean for at least a week and see what it does. So this is what yours truly like. Your girl likes these. It's called cassava leaf. This has been in the fridge for about 3 days now. This is the last one we have here, and I am not going to eat this. I'm going to leave this for my husband because I'm serious about this diet. And if anyone else wants to join this clean eating diet for 7 days with me, drop it down in the comment section. And you don't have to start tomorrow if you don't have your supplies like I do. You can start anytime, but just leave it in the comment section. Clean eating diet, yes, or healthy eating diet. We're going to do this. This is a motivation for myself and for you all. I'm going to try my best. I may not record me doing it, but I definitely will give you guys update after the 7 days. And I promise, if for any reason I go astray from this, I do not eat this, for any reason I cheat, I will definitely let you guys know. But I'm hoping not to cheat. And I also plan that if for some reason I cheat, it's going to be a punishment for me too. I won't say punishment, but I will have to redo, like start the 7 days over. I will complete that 7 days and start it over. That I may have to buy my own produce. But yes, I really want to start eating clean and healthy. At least have 1 bowl of salad a day. That's what I plan to do. But for these 7 days, it's going to be all salads and fruits. And I'm going to steam some beans. I have some other vegetables here, right here. You guys, I'm telling you, this person really killed it. They really sent me that message like, girl, you need to wake up. You need to eat healthy. I love you. Thank you so much. So yes, I'm going to make these. These are broccoli. You have cauliflower. You have some carrots in there as well. I have 3 bags of them right here. Like 3 bags of them. Let me show you. 3 bags of those over there. Plus, I have all of these right here. I have tomatoes. You guys, let me set this, my favorite African food. It's called cassava leaf, you guys. Leave it down in the comment section if you have heard about cassava leaf before, or if you have tried it. Yours truly, I would eat this any day. Most of my Liberian people will tell you that this is one of their favorite meal or something that they will go to. Yes, so I really enjoy eating cassava leaf. But to show you how serious I am, I'm putting hold on this. This is going to be for my husband. I'm going to adhere to eating these for 7 days. After that, I will give you a result. So I'm putting this down, the cassava leaf down, and we'll go into all the things. So as you can see here, this is more salad, guys. This will even last me more than 7 days. I feel like it. But at least I want to give myself a realistic time frame that I can hold on to. Because like I said, I am not a salad girl. So this is going to be a challenge for me, and I'm putting it out there. If anyone else wants to join this challenge, to challenge yourself and eat clean and eat healthy, leave it down in the comment section. Drop it down. Make sure to drop it down in the comment section. Clean eating. Let's do this. We can do it. We are here to motivate each other, encourage, inspire. Like, even if you should go back to your regular meals and stuff, but every now and then I think it's good to have a detox. So definitely, let's do that. So we have some bananas here, and I'm so glad that it's not so ripped yet so that it doesn't spoil. So it will take its time and I'll start munching on it. So all here, you see, all in here, it's all salad, different kinds, you guys. I'm so excited. Fresh salad. I'm hoping they last for the 7 days and not go bad. But that's why I'm saying 7 days. I'm going to challenge myself to consume these within 7 days so I don't lose them. And hopefully my husband and I can join together and make a good use of those. We're going to do a 7 days clean eating in this house. We're going to do it. It's a plan, and I'm here to share with you guys. If you're interested in joining, like I said, drop it down in the comment section. Clean eating, and try whenever you can to challenge yourself to do a 7 days detox clean eating. Just these. Find something healthy that of protein that you like, put it on it and eat it, and drink your water. No soda, no wine, nothing like that. Just clean eating. So I'm about to close the fridge now. And this is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for always sticking around with me, with yours truly. I appreciate you so much. You keep the love coming, and I'll be sending a lot of love from my end as well, you guys. Thank you so much for all your love and support. I really appreciate it. I can't say thank you enough. We have reached over 1,000 subscribers, you guys. Who could ever believe that, y'all? Like, thank you so much. I really am grateful. And yes, I will see you guys in another video. Bye for now.